go into the Bobcat website, select your region. I'm in the United States, so it's North America. Add to cart, and go ahead and view and check out. Yada yada, yes. You can read the refund policy terms, but most likely check this so you can check out. And then you put your email address and your address. I'll type this in real quick, but I'll blur it out. Then continue shopping. And then this is the shipping. It's about 46 bucks. And taxes. So shipping and taxes probably gonna depend on where you live. So my total is $520.61 USD. Continue payment. I'm in the United States, so I'll choose USDT. I believe if you're in Canada, you choose this one. So same as billing address or shipping address, complete order. So that's processing. Once you get to this point right here, check your information, make sure it's correct. And then it's going to take you to this screen, the MugglePay. I'm using Binance, and Binance doesn't have the TRC20. It only has the ERC20. So make sure, this is my mistake, okay? So make sure you click on ERC20. Click OK. You can put a coupon if you have a coupon. I haven't found one, but this is where it gets kind of technical if you don't know what you're doing. So go into your Binance, you log in. I'm already logged in, but then you log into your Binance account. I had to convert Bitcoin to USDT. So go to your USDT, click on withdraw. And then make sure you select ERC20. Go back to MugglePay. Copy the address. Make sure you copy it. Copied. Go back and then copy and paste. And it'll show up there. You can double check, make sure it's right. And this is where you need to make sure you have the right amount. It shows, mine shows 520.61. You need to add an extra 30 bucks in USDT. So I would have to add 550.61. So the total, so the total will be 520.61. 520.61. My first mistake was just putting 520.61 and I sent the wrong amount. So this is just an example. I'm not going to submit it. I'm not going to purchase it. So I just want everybody to be aware of this transaction fee, that you have to include it in the withdrawal. Rookie mistake on my end, and I just want to help you guys out. So thanks, and stay tuned. I'll have more videos on Helium and other crypto stuff. Thanks. Take care. Bye.